Oh, hey guys, I am so super excited that you are here because I'm just checking these ingredients again and making sure I don't need something extra special. No, it still just says that I need water and maybe a pair of scissors and a toothpick. Whatever it is, we are excited for this adventure because it's the cutest little teeny tiny Popin Cookin of ramen. Ramen and some mango pudding and spring rolls. Oh, I can't wait for you to see this. I hope that you enjoy it. And guess what? I did another one, and when it came time for me to taste them, it was a little bit tricky because my brain wanted it to taste the way that it looked. And if you remember, I did the hamburger and french fries one with, I think, soda or pop for my friends who say pop. And I went to take a bite and it didn't taste exactly like my brain thought. It was sweet. I just think it was so cool. So get yourself ready. Sit back and watch that all these things that are inside the box are to be used for measuring and stirring so you can make this fun snack. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Come along. So what did you think? I'm ready to taste it. Let's go. Okay, so I think I will start with the ramen. Here we go. Now, my mind thinks that it should taste like ramen, but this is where it gets real tricky. Oh my goodness, look at those noodles. Oh. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, that is pretty cool. The noodles have the texture and feel of real noodles, but they don't taste like it. And let's see all the little things that are in there too. Let's try it. Really interesting, because it kind of tastes like cola. But we have some more tasty, yummy. Look at these. Oh, they're so cute. Not bad at all, actually. And our little, I think these are the spring rolls. Yeah, the spring rolls. Okay. Little cute, yummy snack that's not savory, it's sweet. Okay, now we have the dessert. And I think it was pudding, a type of pudding. And I'm going to show it to you. Yum. Is it mango? I think it is. Let's see if it tastes like mango now. Okay, everybody. Here it comes. I like it. I really do. One more piece. I'm going to finish this one. Definitely an interesting texture. But the flavor is really good. I liked it. I say it's a win-win because it's so fun, kind of messing with your mind a little. But look at those. These are worth showing again because I have yet to see these made so amazing looking, just like ramen. Wow. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this journey and come back again because we're going to be going to the store and looking for some more of these because they are cute, they are fun, and they're tasty too. Bye guys, thank you for joining us and I hope that you'll come back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep on coming back and going on these fun learning adventures. Bye everyone, have a great week.